Hello, wealthy, successful, money-making traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me today for another video. Guys, I'm so glad that you can be here with me. I know some of you are probably thinking that I should be back selling cars instead of making all of these videos, but I assure you that this video has a purpose. This is the Euro USD on the 1 minute time frame. And today's market was especially tough, at least it was for me, because there were about 11 hours between the end of the last really good trade and the beginning of the new really good trade. Now, I want to know, were there any hints in the chart to tell us that price was not going to go on in a bullish fashion? Yes, there were. The 200 SMA, and you can see throughout the night pretty much this 50 period was pretty hopeless, honestly. But this 200 SMA acted as wonderful resistance. We got some time later last night when you would go above and below the 200, above and below, the whole 9 yards. But as price restricts more, and this is where you're looking for your opportunity, as price constricts more, and you can see that we had this tiny area of resistance and support, which was about 10 pips. You'll note that this is a time that the market is going to break out. Usually as price constricts more pressure is put on price, and we're looking for, bam, that burst of energy. But you'll note that as many times as price tries to break above that 200 SMA, it is quickly thrown back down. Every bullish attempt is met with defeat. Here you got a weak attempt by the bulls and a weak close above the 200 SMA, but look at what happens immediately after. You get one candle that totally creams all of the moving averages and goes from the 200 SMA resistance straight down to support. So that was a really important clue that chances are, after about 6 or 7 or more attempts at breaking through that 200 SMA, that we were not going in a bullish fashion. Now, we continued to get support when we were breaking this area of support here. We got support for this bearish momentum with the continued support there. And if you did not get in on this candle, then this was a candle. Once price did the little hiccup here, it was time to reshort that market. And what you notice about the market is the market has these bursts of energies. It has this long period of rest, then you get this bam, this burst of energy, then you get into this kind of choppy price action. Now you'll see the bullish attempt at taking over price, which absolutely makes sense because now we're over 100 pips to the downside. But note, we never break above that strong bearish candle here. And once we get here, price is rejected, falls back down, and price is never able to break and close above this little area of resistance, which is under that 200 SMA. And price continues to fall down in a bearish manner until we get another bounce off of a support down here, and we finally break above that 200 SMA with a strong bullish candle. Guys, I want to interrupt myself right here and say something to you. No matter how tough the market is, and no matter how angry you get at the market, never let them leave you behind without the money. Don't stay stuck in a bad trade. If you're hot and angry, turn off your monitor, take your money off the table, go do something else, come back to the market. Never let them leave you behind without the money. Just wanted to say that. Now, you can see this area that was once resistance, it came back and became support as price retested it, could not break through to the bearish side again, then we got this huge bounce back off. And guys, you'll see if the market's making several attempts to do something and is failing, please pay attention to this, because this will be happening in real time. This is not lagging. Moving averages, there's absolutely nothing special about moving averages. Moving averages, just like every other indicator, is following price. Price is your number one indicator. However, moving averages do provide visual clues when the market is acting crazy. And you'll see we got this strong burst up to the bullish side until we got another break below the 200 SMA and price continued to fall down. But guys, I just want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Study your past charts. They will give you hints into what's going on in your live right now market. Guys, you can do this. Have a terrific pip fill trading week.